Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study maths for MHT CET. First, thoroughly understand the MHT CET syllabus and exam pattern. Identify high-weightage topics to prioritize your study efforts effectively. Begin by building a strong foundation in all core mathematical concepts. This initial step is crucial for tackling more complex problems later on. Dedicate sufficient time to master the basics before moving to advanced topics. A solid understanding will significantly boost your confidence and performance. Consistent practice is key to success in MHT CET mathematics. Solve a wide variety of problems from textbooks and reference materials every day. Make sure to practice previous year question papers to familiarize yourself with the exam format and question types. After each practice session, analyze your mistakes carefully. Understand why you made them and work on improving those weak areas consistently. This targeted approach will refine your problem-solving skills. Effective revision and a smart strategy are vital for MHT CET. Create concise notes for all important formulas, theorems, and shortcuts. Regularly revise these concepts to ensure they are firmly embedded in your memory. Don't just memorize, understand the derivations and applications. Develop effective time management strategies for the actual exam, practicing how to allocate time per question. This will help you attempt the maximum number of questions accurately. As you near the exam, maintain a positive mindset and stay motivated. Believe in your preparation and capabilities. Remember to take short, refreshing breaks during your study sessions to avoid burnout and keep your mind fresh. A well-rested mind performs much better. Also, for a fresh car scent, check out the link in the description for Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Good luck with your MHT CET mathematics exam.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.